Choo choo train has stopped today. Time for cleaning, wash away dust and dirt from every mile. Make it shiny, bright and smile. Water splashing, soap so white, scrubbing wheels with care and light. Brushes moving side to side, making trains look clean and white. Rinse the windows clear and neat, polished metal smooth and sweet. Steam and foam all disappear, train is looking brand new here. Now to workshop, tools in hand, repair crew is strong and grand. Fixing bolts and checking wheels, every part just how it feels. Hammer, wrench and turning gear, engine humming loud and clear. Signals checked and brakes all fine, ready for the next big line. Paint is fresh, the shine is new, red and blue and green and blue. Back on track with steady cheer.